Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody guys. Today we again will take a look at the euro currency. Although the Great British Pound shows really perfect and tremendous upside action, currently guys, technically I just can't call you for taking any positions on the Great British Pound, because logically we should take the long position on the Great British Pound, but in such circumstances when the market stands so deeply overbought on the weekly time frame chart, I just have no rights to call you for taking long, because the technical analysis is dealing with the probabilities, and probability suggests that the taking long position in deeply overbought area is not really good decision. At the same time, we can't take the short position, because in this case we will take the position against the significant thrusting action that stands against your position, and that's also will be not very wise. That's why I think that on the Great British Pound, sooner or later we will get the chance for taking the position. We just need to be patient, and probably I think that we will get the retracement and everything will be nice. So that's why all that we could do currently on the Great British Pound is just to wait and watch for possible chances to jump into this significant journey. That's why currently guys, we will take a look again on the euro currency. There are some moments to discuss here, although the progress in the price action is not really tremendous, as you can see. First of all, let's go back to the discussion of the possible grabber that we have intended to take yesterday, but we haven't got it. So you can see that's the candle, but the close here was a few pips lower than the MACD predictor line. It means that here we have just a shifting trend to the bearish. But this is not the time to be upset with this, because you can see that upward action is continuing, and that could turn to the real bullish dynamic pressure if market will continue to creep with the MACD line, and it will suggest sooner or later taking out of this top if this will really become the bullish dynamic pressure. Second moment today guys is really very important day from the statistics. So today we will get a lot of data. First of all, we will get the retail sales United States. Second, we will get the gross domestic product in the euro area. That really could bring some volatility on the market, and the situation could really change significantly by the end of the day. So that's why I can't exclude the chance that we could get today as the grabber, as the real bullish dynamic pressure that will suggest the possible taking of this top. Finally guys, on the daily chart, another pattern that we could watch for is the possible double repo lookalike. So I will erase all the lines that we do not need right now and bring here the 3x3 moving average, displaced moving average. So take a look what we have. That's not, of course, the perfect. Previously we have seen the better setups of the double repos, but still, that could become at least the lookalike pattern. So take a look. If we even eliminate this initial thrust, because here was the deep retracement, and we'll take a look in the consideration of only the last part of it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 candles, minimum required number of candles to the upside. Take a look. Despite that here we have minor retracement, but this here we didn't get the close below the 3x3, and that retracement stands higher than the 3/8 support area of this thrust. So here we probably haven't got that 3/8 retracement. And besides, market has created the new top that have put new traders back in the trading this thrust. That's why it really could happen that market could form the double repo sell pattern. If we do not want to treat it as the normal pattern, we could call it as the lookalike pattern and reduce our trading volume with this pattern. But guys, actually, if market finally will form the double repo, it still will be the double repo, because if we'll take into consideration where this pattern will appear, recall that we stand at the strong resistance at the overbought area. That's why that will bring additional power to the reversal features of the double repo, and that's why even lookalike pattern here could work nice. So what we have, thrust up, close below the 3x3. Now we need to close above, and it will be perfect if market will create the new top and then close below again. That will be the confirmation bar of the double repo by itself. But if you'll take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, you'll see that the final part of our 3-drive pattern, or if you want it in relation to the double repo, the second top of the double repo could take the shape of the butterfly. So you can see that market finally could hit the 1470 area that we have discussed previously. If you remember, that's targets around 1470. It's 1618 extension of this ABCD pattern and monthly pure resistance one. So this could be the second top, return it back down, close below the 3x3, and that will be the completion point of the double repo. But as this part could take the shape of the butterfly, and if this really will happen, we could slightly anticipate the double repo entry point and take the entry based on the butterfly. Sometimes I do this because when you have the strong resistance on your back, you could do this because that will provide you much better entry point and less risks, because your invalidation point will be just above the 1618 of the butterfly. And if market will return it back down and turn to the upside again, so that will be just a better position for taking for entry in this trade. And sometimes when the second part of the double repo takes the shape of the butterfly on intraday charts, I very often use this butterfly for the entry, because in this case you will be able to enter right at the second top of the double repo, and do not wait when market returns back down. Will show the confirmation. That will be much better entry and less risk. So that's the moments that we will be watching on the euro currency in the nearest perspective. Currently, guys, I do not see any other issues that could attract our attention. Let's see what will happen. Maybe today's statistics somehow will bring some transparency on the market and will lead to appearing of some clear patterns. And on the Great British Pound, we still will be waiting for a normal situation where we could take the position, because right now it's a bit dangerous and could be really expensive trying to jump in on the running train. Could be really not very good idea. So that's all. See you tomorrow.